The disclaimer, guys, trading forex carries a very high risk, so this video should not be used as an investment advice or a trade idea. It should be mainly used for educational purpose only. Any trades that will be taken based on this video, it will be at the trader's own will. We are not liable for any losses that will be incurred during trading using the ideas presented here. Thank you. So we are looking at the gold chart from a weekly perspective. Before we go into that, guys, let's look what transpired during non-farm payroll. So the focus was 197,000 new jobs, but they managed to beat the focus. The actual was 379,000 new jobs created in the United States of America. So this is good for the Americans. It means now probably the economy will soon get better and people will start having money to invest. Then we had some great news, fundamental news on Saturday. The Senate passed Biden's 1.9 trillion stimulus bill. So during the weekend they passed this bill. That means that the Federal Bank of the United States will soon start printing this 1.9 trillion. So printing of money by the central bank result in increase in supply of money. So there will be more dollars in circulation. So this will reduce the demand for dollar, as there will be more dollars in circulation. So as a result, the dollar will weaken. So let's go back to let's look what's coming this week. This week, when you look at the economic calendar, Monday we don't have any high impact news. Tuesdays, Thursdays and Fridays we don't have high impact news, but we're gonna have high impact news on Wednesday. We have the core CPI, the CPI. There's the inflation report, consumer price index. So we will be looking at that. So when we look, let's go to the gold chart. When you look at gold from the previous week, we anticipated that it should retrace higher and then continue selling lower. So far that has happened, but it didn't reach our levels. So we managed to continue with the tide as anticipated. So this week, guys, I'm still looking at these levels here. I want to see gold retrace up to this level, then continue to sell up to this level. We have an imbalance here. So gold should retrace a little bit, then continue selling lower. From a weekly perspective, I think that's where we're going to find our buyers. So when I pull the field, why is it reloading? So when I pull the field, here's my Fibonacci. So between this low here and this high here, the market is below the 50% level. That means the market is on discount. So we know the smart money likes buying the discount, and then they sell the premium. Below 50% is the discount, above 50% is the premium. So this is where I'm expecting buyers to be. Then continue buying gold. Given the fundamental news that we have, this will hold as a strong support area to buy gold. Let's drop to a daily chart. So from a daily perspective, this is what we have. We have this ICT bearish order block here. If you're gonna retrace, I'm looking at this level here to provide us with more support, or this level up here. So expect a retracement and then continue going lower, or the market can just continue rolling down on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We are here during the CPI, and then we might start having our bullish setups from this level. So from the daily perspective, I'm looking at 1705 level and 1724 level to start selling gold. So for this market to continue going higher from here, if we are wrong in our analysis, it needs to close above this 1739. It needs to close above, then we know we're going to have a retracement, a deeper retracement to those levels. If it breaks this low now, we are in a bullish mode. So that I'm still bearish on gold. I'm anticipating that it will continue dropping. Let's look at the 4-hour time frame. So on the 4-hour time frame, we have this other block here. So I'm anticipating it might reach this level, 1715 level. Then we continue to below. I want it to close above this level, guys. If it closes above this level, we are changing the chart. But generally, I'm still bearish on this. I think we'll find our resistance here, then we continue dropping lower. And then let's drop to a lower time frame, H1. Let's look at the 1-hour time frame. Yes, from 1-hour time frame, it confirms our bearish signal. So this will be the balance. If it retraces deep, it should reach around this level, 1714. Then we continue going lower. I don't want it to break this high and close above it and continue going higher. I want it to find support here, a resistance here, then continue lower, or it just continue going lower on Monday. If it doesn't give us this retracement that we are looking for. I hope you find this video insightful and have a good trading week. Let's see how the market will go. For the past few weeks, it has been doing us good. Trading, going with the scenario that we've been painting. So let's see if we'll reach those levels on the weekly time frame. So I hope, remember guys, to like, share and subscribe for our video and YouTube channel. Thank you. Enjoy your trading.